This review is of Sweet Sam's Baking Company Iced Carrot Walnut Pound Cake. And this is Parv, so it's safe for Jews. It contains a bioengineered ingredient. It has eggs and milk, so it's vegetarian. Prepare to fall in love. Yeah, okay. Cream cheese icing. Nutrition facts. 1/5 of the loaf has 15 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated, no trans fats. 40 milligrams of cholesterol, 230 milligrams of sodium, 39 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber, 25 are sugars, of which 21 are added, and 4 grams of protein. And here are the ingredients. And it does have wheat and wheat gluten and xanthan gum, so you can, and guar gum, so you can more. Yeah, bunch of stuff. Looks kind of interesting. Lots of, oh my gosh, more guar gum and xanthan gum. Oh well. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I do not like the packaging. It's just wrapped in a thick plastic, and it makes it very difficult to get into it. Not to mention very messy. Definitely not ideal. This is irritating. There. Finally, I got past the barrier. Your cream cheese topping is thick with sugar, and so I'm not really thrilled about that. Okay, well, here we go. I don't think I've ever had carrot cake as a pound cake before. Despite all of the sugar, it has an almost savory flavor. I don't know how I feel about this. I really do enjoy carrot cake. But I find this a little bit confusing. I think I prefer it without the icing, but that's just me. Let me just try some without the icing. It's fairly dry, though, I have to say, for a pound cake. It's not as wet as I would expect. The spices are not in balance. There should be more than there is. It's part of the reason why I'm having a problem with this. It's okay, but it's not amazing. I just got a little bit of tartness from that. That's weird. I'll give this a 6.5. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.